Good morning, guys. Well, technically it's not morning. Holy moly, my nose looks so red. I was just getting my blackheads earlier. But hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today is Sunday, October 13th. It is 2:26 p.m. We are starting this vlog very very late, but I am starting it off with getting coffee. I already had like a little bit of breakfast today, but I'm getting coffee and then we'll just see what else we do today. Hold on just a second. Ooh, wrong window.
Hello, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a short pike roast with just 2 sugars? And can I get a water too with light ice? Actually, no, with regular ice.
Anything else today?
Nope, that'll be it.
$2.17 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, they keep like upping the price. I have no idea why, but when I used to get a short coffee, it used to only be $1.96 I think, and then it was $2.11 and now it's $2.17. Like taxing for real. But that is what I get because honestly Starbucks is like putting me in debt. Okay, not like for real, but I need to just get a coffee maker and just make my own coffee. I don't know why I keep putting that off. You know what, I'm gonna probably do that really soon. I'm gonna get my own coffee maker and we're gonna do that. Oh, don't let me forget to get Diego's puppuccino. He will flip out if I do not get that for him. Yo, my nose just looks so red. Whatever, I'll do a face mask today and hopefully that'll calm it down. It'll be fine by tomorrow. I have things to do tomorrow, so definitely a little concealer will go a long way with this. Oh, I'm listening to Kurt Franklin right now too because it's Sunday and I gotta get my Jesus on, you know. I didn't go to church today, but I need to go to church. I haven't been in a while. Okay, so I got the goods. I got Diego's puppuccino, but he's gonna be so mad at me because I'm just sitting in the parking lot right now and I think it's melting. But I don't know if I've ever told you guys this or if you guys already know, but you can get puppuccinos at Starbucks for free. You just tell them, you know, can I get a puppuccino? Usually they only give it to you. No, I've gotten them every single time, but sometimes they like give a bigger cup if they see Diego with me and know that he's like a big dog. But I don't know if you guys know this, you can get free water when you go to Starbucks. So, you know, free filtered water, and I love it. So I get a water every time I go and get a coffee, which is like every day, which I need to not do. Hot. And I forgot to get a straw. I want to start using a straw when I drink coffee so it doesn't stain my teeth. I need some lip gloss. Somebody just drove past staring at me like, hi. Get a water every time you go to Starbucks. I am trying to drink more water. I've always been trying to drink water. Antonio said that you know how like the human body is like made up of 70% water. Well, Antonio said my body's like made up of 70% juice because I hate water, but I love like cranberry juice or like stuff like that. Like I just like juice in general. But I'm not doing nothing. We're not doing anything special. It's just a regular Sunday. You know what, I'm lying, I gotta do laundry, but that's like adulting probs, you know. The baby is with his dad at the house, so we're gonna go see what the baby is doing. He is 12 weeks already. Like I feel like he's about to get out or get up and move out. Like I feel like he's so old and so grown. Oh my god, it's just like the weirdest feeling ever. He's finally sleeping 5 to 6 hour stretches throughout the night. I wish I could, like, it's not really, it's good, but I still can't sleep those full 6 hours. He usually goes to bed at like 9, between 8:30 and 11 is when he'll fall asleep for his night sleep, but he still has that 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. wake up, and then he wakes up again at 6 to 7. Usually it's 6:30, but we're not really forcing a schedule. That's just what naturally is happening. Yeah, can I put you here? Like the sun is like all on my face. Oh, somebody just bought something on Poshmark. Or wait, no, they created a bundle. Oh, fingers crossed she buys it because I'm trying to get rid of this stuff. This stuff keeps sitting in my closet. And I need to ship something that some girl bought a purse. I need to ship that. But yeah, check out my Poshmark closet. I'll link it in the description box. Oh, I love Poshmark. It's like way better than selling it to Plato's, honestly. Plato's really plays you. Like they give you no money for your stuff. It's ridiculous. What was I talking about though? Oh, the baby. I'm literally growing a football player. I think he's really gonna end up playing football. He is so huge. My mom called him her little linebacker. He went to the doctors last week for like an issue I was concerned about. They weighed him and I think he was 13 pounds and 9 ounces. Like, he's just chunky, and the I was like, he's like really fussy when I try to burp him and stuff, blah blah. She was like, well, try to slow down on the food, because he'll eat 6 ounces, like 6-ounce bottles. So we had to like try to knock it down, because he would just kill a 6-ounce bottle like nothing. Then he'll end up having like grown people problems like heartburn, because he's like eating so fast and so much. So we had to like knock that back. No, but he's the most adorablest, sweetest, cutest, squishiest, chunkiest, lovablest. He's just like everything. I can't wait for him to get bigger. I mean, I can wait because I love like where he's at now, but obviously he's just gonna grow, like it's inevitable. But I can't wait until he's like talking and he can say mom. That's just gonna be the best thing ever. But I think I want to film like a nighttime routine. Maybe we'll do that tonight or something. I just want to show you guys how we have our little nights. We're still working on a morning routine though. That is something we're still doing. But I'm just gonna go give Diego his puppuccino because it's melting and he's gonna have an attitude with me. Oh, and if I look really oily, it's because I washed my face and I put rose hip oil and coconut oil and castor oil on my brows. But I put rose hip oil and coconut oil all over my face, so that's probably why I look really dewy. And I'm just so red because I just need water, honestly. But yeah, my nose is like really red right here. I'm just gonna go give my dog his puppuccino, and we're gonna go see what else we have to do today. Regular adult stuff, honestly. I need to run to Target. I'll find any excuse to go to Target, but I'm gonna go to Target and then clean up a little bit, do a load of laundry, and yeah, continue to listen to my gospel. I hate whipped cream. Okay, I gotta go. I don't know why I did that. Okay, see you later.
Good stretchies.
Good morning. Well, what do you say when after a nap?
Good nap.
I'm trying to wake him up so we can go for a walk.
He wasn't ready.
Because it's so nice outside.
He wasn't ready.
We can't stay in this house. We're gonna go get some fresh air.
Me and dog already went for a walk.
Wake up.
Him not ready, babe.
Good morning. I mean, honestly, what do you say? Whatever. It's time to wake up. Tickle, tickle. Yes? Yes? Time to wake up? Okay. You're not having it. Here. You punching your dad in the face?
I'm grabbing my lip.
Oh. Go-Go's ready. Look at that handsome baby. What was that? Is mommy and baby. Mommy and baby. Oh. Don't run away from my kisses. Ooh. That breath. You got that formula breath. His room is so trash, like he's a teenager. Look at this. Like, I gotta put his clothes away. He's got clothes on the floor, like he couldn't figure out what to wear. His drawer is all open. His dirty clothes. It's just a mess. Did you have fun on the walk? Yes. You're so cute. You're so cute. This room is a disaster. What the heck? So I'm going to speed through this and clean up really quick. Wait, a couple of these boxes though, like I have old boxes from diapers that I need to go through his dressers and see what fits him and what doesn't. These are like 3 to 6 months because that's what he's in. He's not even in 3 months yet, but he's like wearing 3 to 6 month onesies. So I need to go through his clothes, see what fits and what doesn't, organize that, and then put them in this until I can get some cute containers that I want. Okay, so I always do this. I literally always forget to end my vlogs, but it's been like 2 days later. I finished cleaning the baby's room. I just wanted to come on and end this vlog. So thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs. Yeah, that's about it. I just need to start remembering to end the vlogs that night, because whenever I edit, I go back and I'm like, bro, again, I just abruptly stopped. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day or a good night or whenever you're watching this. So yeah.